Alright, so converting an RSX automatic O2 to O4 base harness for a K20 swap. So the first thing we'll cover is the connector B. So I'm using Hondata. So with Hondata, B22 will automatically work and initiate the reverse lockout. So you don't have to do anything to Hondata, it just happens on its own. So B22 is also the connector that is at the end of the injectors right here. So that controls like the intake manifold little flappers that are on the base models, the base manual and the base automatic, and that's this here. So if you strip that out of there, you're gonna get this connector here. And this connector will work perfectly on the reverse lockout connector. So I've also labeled it here B22 for reverse lockout. So since I'm using Hondata, that's gonna take care of itself. I don't need to repin anything if I use that for my reverse lockout. So I'm leaving that wire. So that leaves 4 wires that are different between the Type S harness and the automatic base harness. So for the sake of this video, we're just going to be talking about the white B connector. So what I'm going to do is I need to add this. We'll talk about that later. But I'm going to leave B22 and I'm going to remove these because I don't need them. So I'm just going to take them out. So I'm going to remove 14, 16, and 24, which I've conveniently already located and taped together here. So that's them there. So to take a step back, what I've been doing on this automatic harness is I've stripped everything off, all the automatic connectors I've stripped off over here, and they're just sitting there. I'm going to work on this connector, and then I'm going to work on this gray connector after. So the next video I'll cover this, but what we need to do is we're going to have to add number 18 for the VSS signal, and number 8 we can get rid of because we're not going to need that. So it says except Type S, so we'll pull that out. And that's about it. So I'll show you the next video in a day or so when I get this figured out.